The county reception hall charges a rental fee of $1,000 and at least $3,000 for food. Olivia is planning a class reunion. If she has chosen a buffet that costs $38.56 per person, what is the minimum possible number of people who must attend to support the expense? So we know that Olivia is planning that class reunion, and then the county reception hall charges $1,000 for the rental and at least $3,000 for the food. Let's call the number of people X. If she charges $38.56 per person, this would be $1,000 plus 38.56 and is greater than or equal to 3,000. So therefore, if we subtract both sides by 1,000, we get 38.56 n is greater or equal to 2,000. And we divide both sides by 38.56. We get n is greater or equal to 51.87. And so therefore, the minimum number would be 52 people.